guys, good morning. Now we go to St. Lazarus Church. See you there. Okay guys, we just walk going to church from the car park. And car park here you need to pay only €3, and some other location there are €2. And around this area so many foreigners at the side, because this is one of the tourist spot in Cyprus. So a lot of people, foreigners coming here. And there are some birds, they are feeding. Now you can see. And this is the back of the church, and there is also an access. You can go here, there is a door, you can see the door, and some foreigner waiting this area, and some people also here at the side, they are taking pictures of the church. You can see there. This is one of the nice place here in Cyprus. You can go visit one day. Okay guys, now we're here in the entrance of the church. There are some policy you need to aware, and we go inside. You can see it's very beautiful inside. Come and see. This is the altar of the church. It's very big and very beautiful. Hello, kabayan. Hunter. Ano yan? Oh, papunta pa lang. Now guys, this way going to the tomb of Saint Lazarus. Go here. It is underneath of the altar. Go inside. Going this way. This is the tomb of Saint Lazarus. It is old, made of stone, very solid, and this is very old, very vintage. For 10,000 years ago, is buried here. Look at this, still preserved until now. And here guys, still preserved the ash of Saint Lazarus, still preserved until now, well preserved. God bless all. And here guys, at the back of the church, you can see here the museum. This is the museum. You can see the schedule of the museum. Here, this is the other side of the church going out. As you can see there, the kids playing with the birds. And now we're heading back to the car park. It's very nearby. Okay guys, that is the Saint Lazarus Church here in Larnaca, Cyprus. See you next time. Bye bye.